welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Umar. This topic is related to first gaming PC. I guide step by step. Welcome into this deep dive where we talk you through the exciting journey of finding your very first gaming PC, assembling your own gaming right, not only give you a sense of step accommodations but allow always you to tailor your system to match your gaming performance. In this video we break down the process into easy to follow step from selecting components to powering up your master device. Set a budget and processor purpose. Set a budgets and purpose. Bind by determining your budgets and understanding the type of games you'll be playing. This will help you make informed discuss on components. Second step, research components. Explore different components such as CPUs, GPUs, RAM, storage and motherboards. Research their compatible and performance for your choose games. Create a components list. Complete a list for all the components you will need. Considering factors like performance, features, upgrade potential, and authentics. Gather tools. Get your tool ready, including standard wire, anti-static wire bands, cable tie, and thermal paste. Next step, binding the stage. Break the processor into stage, installing the CPU, RAM, motherboard, GPU, storage, and power supply. Prepare your workspace. Set up a clear and lit workspace with arms, rooms to lay out your components. Next step, install the CPU. Gently install the CPU on the motherboard. Motherboard stock. Ensure popular, elegant elements and careful handling. Next step, attack the cooler. Follow the instructions to attack the CPU cooler, making sure its surely method and temple paste is approved early. Next step, install RAM. Insert your RAM sticks into the designated slot, applying even to sure utility they clip into place. Next step, prepare the case. Careful read the case mutual to identify cable, routing options, drive dates, and fan placement. And next step, move the motherboard. Place the motherboard into the case, adding the I/O shield and secure it with shores. Next step, install the PSU. PSU means power supply unit. Position the power supply in its designated spot it showed the and that cables are assembled. Position the power supply in its designated spot, ensuring it secure and that cables are assembled. My next step, contact cables. Carefully connect power cables from the PSU to the motherboard, CPU, GPU and storage device. Carefully connect power cables from the PSU to the motherboard, CPU, GPU and storage devices. Install storage devices. Mount your storage devices in the applique by connecting them to the motherboard and power supply. Mount your storage devices in the appropriate by connecting them to the motherboard and power supply. Install GPU. Slide the GPU into its slot, securing it with secure and connecting power cable as needed. Install storage devices. Mount your storage devices in the appropriate by connecting them to the motherboard and power supply. Install GPU. This topic, install GPU. Slide the GPU into its slot, secure and connecting power cable as needed. GPU into its slot, secure and connecting power cable as needed. Cable management. Netherly router and secure cable using cable tie to ensure optional airflow and authorize. Next topic is check connection. This topic, check connection. Double check all connections and components before closing the case. This topic means double check all connections and components before closing the case. Power on. Connect your mirror, keyboards and mouse. Power on the PC and make sure all. Connect your monitor, keyboard and mouse. Power on the PC and make sure all components are functioning properly. Install operating system. Install your prepared operating system from a bootable USB device or disk. Install devices and games. Last step, install devices and games. Install drivers and games. Download and install the latest drivers for your components. Finally start download and playing your favorite games. Last step is install drivers install and games, download games. Congratulations, you will success finding your very own gaming PC. Embark the sense of step accomplishment that come with assembling your ride and get ready to experience gaming like never before. Remember, building a PC is a learning experience, so do not be afraid to seek help if you ensure challenge. enjoy your gaming selection on methods that you carefully craft to meet your need and performance. Make your phone rate be high and your temperature low. Happy gaming. Subscribe my YouTube channel and like and press the bell icon next for next video.